With the year heading off for a good start, I decided that I'm going to make a video about pumpkins. Now on this video, I'm going to show you methods that you can utilize to grow your squashes. So stay tuned, subscribe to the boys YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support. Let's get started. To successfully sprout your seeds quick, grab a pair of scissors. Make sure to carefully trim off the edges of your seeds and extract the seed from within the seed pouch. At this point, grab a pot filled with fully fertilized moist soil and place your seed in the pot and water once a day. The flowering stage is when the pumpkin plant produces bright yellow flowers that eventually turn into pumpkins. This stage usually occurs 8 to 10 weeks after planting. Throughout this period, we develop two types of flowers, mainly the female flower and the male flower. We have two types of pollination. We have the insect pollination and the hand pollination. With the insect pollination, bees transfer pollen from male flowers to female flowers. Before you can start hand pollinating the pumpkin plant, you need to identify the female and the male blossoms. Male pumpkin flowers are usually more noticeable than female flowers and they develop first, whereas the female flower has a fruit-like structure at the base of the stem. This structure is called the ovary. Therefore, to hand fertilize, we need to cut off the male flower and rub it against the female flower. This will transfer the pollen from male to female flower. After pollination, the female flowers will produce fruit that will grow for up to 55 days. Tips: look out for insects that can affect your pumpkin plant, which may include squash bugs, aphids, and sap beetles. Water at least once a week to avoid drought and underdevelopment of pumpkins. Also, look out for these root-like structures on your stems as they support in absorbing nutrition from the soil. Make sure you tuck them within the soil. Well, thank you for watching the video up to this far. Your support is much appreciated. Please don't forget to subscribe to the boys YouTube channel. See you on the new video.